What's some things called?
Definitely been. Good morning. I don't know what today is, do you? You know what today is?
January 12th.
No, it's January 13th. Just because you said it, I knew it was wrong. It ain't that cold, man. What is it, about 33 degrees out here in Atlanta? The Hawk is back. You about to go in here. V just want to go to the mall. It wasn't in the plans. It wasn't scripted, but she about to go up in the mall. I don't know what she finna get.
Bath and Body Works is having a sale.
Oh, it's a sale. I doubt if it's a sale for real. Oh, they say it's a sale. Everything is a sale. The best sale is not getting it, right? Hey, can that shine for my grandmother? We need to get something to shine on her wall, but it don't look like it shine the time. It shines. She don't need no star.
Nature sounds.
What's she gonna do with that? She actually needs time on the wall. All right, let's roll. $100. I'm about to give V that good old polo shirt.
Assassin.
I can see you with that polo shirt on now. What you think?
Polo assassin is $42.
I think you would look good in that. What you think?
See, this ain't bad. This is kind of cute.
Huh?
You know?
Go ahead and pick you up one. I got you right there.
Not bad.
Not with them fringes on the side of that though. You see the fringes on the side of it?
Right here?
Yeah, what is that?
That's like ruching.
I don't like that ruching though. It ain't hitting. You like the ruching?
It's not bad. For $15. I mean,
sale ain't a sale if you don't need it. Go ahead and get you one of them.
For $19.
What this is right here, that's a Christmas jacket right there. You need to go ahead and get that snowflake jacket while you at it.
Ooh.
Is that leopard print?
Yep. I mean, you know.
That's fashions right there.
And
you can get you that good old Burberry right there too.
Now these scarves are actually pretty nice.
Get you a blue Burberry.
They soft too.
They soft? What it feel like?
For $9.
Is that Pima?
Probably.
That Pima right there? I think you got some Pima on.
And you know that?
My grandma like this stuff.
Yeah, she would. Give her some nice pants. Okay.
Alright, let's go, man. Crazy silk.
Last in to get you right.
No, they don't look like the ones I got on.
No, I mean they the same. Like
these right here are the but it's not it's them the latest ones. But them right here that I'm looking at, them red ones right there is like the ones I got on. They just red. And them there go to LeBron's down there. Those the one your brother want.
I don't like those.
Them?
They not bad. Not with the white on the bottom though. Right. No.
I don't like these. Them fire right there. I like them. But I don't like them with them black bottoms on them. The black bottoms, I don't feel them. But the purple joints is cold.
Yeah.
I don't know if I want to get the purple since I already got the purple. But
purple shoes.
Time you came in here, you knocked all the candles down, didn't you?
Up these candles.
Did you knock all of them down?
I sure did.
I'll show you the spot exactly where you.
Where? Here?
No, I was over here somewhere, wasn't it? When you knocked all that stuff down.
It wasn't at this.
$12. But candles for $20, I think that's bit crazy.
Oh, this smells amazing.
Spend $20 for it. It's alright. It smells like brute to me. Yeah, what is the name? Mahogany. Some kind of wood. I mean, y'all, why do women go crazy in the doggone Bath and Body Works store? I don't get it. I really don't. And that one candle you chose smell like outside to me.
No. Mahogany
it smell like outside.
Mahogany tea wood.
I'm telling you, like in the hood, when you just go outside and play and you come back in the house and your mom tell you smell like outside, that's what it smell like.
Ooh, wee, y'all. Right, hold on. You want diamonds?
The one in the back. Yeah, I would say I would get diamonds.
Something looks like these over here. It's just metals.
Those are ugly.
Huh?
Those are ugly.
So
you trying to give me no cheap ring? You gonna get a cheap ring.
So you want diamonds?
How you gonna get an upgrade? You gonna give me crap?
So you want diamonds?
I don't want crap.
What you call it on? No diamonds, no nothing.
What the heck is that thing? That's not even a ring, man.
Yes,
that look like something you hook onto your book bag.
No, it's not. It's the ring.
That's a book bag clamp. It's a Clint. That's what that is. No? Man, we doing a little early date night. We up at Atlantic Station. And I'm here with your girl V. She's freezing right now. It's cold, man. I say it's cold. It's cold. I don't know where it's at, man. I know Publix is near the gym. Drive to what?
It's too cold. I think my tolerance for cold ain't what it used to be.
How do you get in here? That's a handle? I never would have figured it out.
Startup kind of like incubator program thing, and when I went to do my interview for it, they basically told me we were too advanced, because this was for one board show. We were too advanced along in our journey because we already kind of knew who our customer were, what our product would be, and so basically my interview turned into a kind of like a great person who has done entrepreneurship like for a while. Like it turned into kind of like a coaching session, honestly, which was dope. So it was kind of like a loss, but not really a win. So anyway, your girl just got an email from them, and they said that they are offering a special free 2-hour starter workshop for your girl.
So yeah, we got I got French toast, and then I got fries, and V got fries, and chicken and biscuits. Some biscuits, gravy.
Yeah, it's like I think they said sausage gravy.
And then look, we're getting started early.
Oh, absolutely.
She getting started early. She got Diet Coke and
That
but this is what it looks like in Atlantic Station on a Saturday, the Martin Luther King weekend.
You know I love Zeke Allen.
Yeah, we don't want to go there today though.
Ooh wee!
Is it cold?
Yes, it is, honey. All the way.
She a big old kid.
You see how my boo take care of me?
Yeah, that's.
Okay.
They don't call me no sugar daddy for nothing, right? Hey, Jim. Anyway, here she goes. Let's get it. Get it. That looks pretty good.
That's a turtle.
I don't know about that light. That turtle though. Hey, how's it going?
Oh, this is like the regular truffle.
So what are you getting?
Nothing will figure it out. This, like these coasters, that's not bad. $12.95.
Oh, $12.90.
Yeah, if you got 3 of them,
that's not horrible.
that's not bad. $30-something for some nice coasters.
I kind of want our living room to have a feel like this.
Yeah.
I like this rug, but I want the couch to be a little bit more comfy. I don't like the stiffness of our couch. I think it needs to be more comfy. So I like this leather. It's RG Hepburn. It's got a nice little accent too. Huh?
It's a little sexy.
I like this. Here.
But sit lower.
And what do you think? And see how that lamp goes there?
Yeah.
And even this chandelier is though. Like I could do
Now
that.
we could switch that fan out for a chandelier.
Which one?
For something like that.
Yeah, I really like this decor here. I think it'll work wonders. You want a piggy bank?
But like more for decor, not.
Where's the plug?
Like, this might be our living room.
I like that leather sectional there. Like we need to. I don't like those individual pieces. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I agree. Like you want a sectional, I see.
Yeah, you need to
Like
push
how
it together because it's not comfortable, and then you need to put something like that rug in the middle, and I think you'll be good. I think you need to.
These are the whatchamacallits I wanted.
Oh, the
They are
mats.
$29.
How many do you need?
2.
For each end? 800 is not bad. It's not bad.
I like it, Alfred.
I don't know. We'll see. I don't know.
And then I like this for our bedding too.
You gotta
You
think
see
about that silver drawer. I think it looks a bit feminine, but weigh in on it. Let me know.
And then this,
Comment below. Let me know what you think.
and then this right here.